Hola from, well, we're not in Tortuguero yet.
Sierpe,
Costa Rica.
We are about to get on an hour-long boat ride to head towards Tortuguero. You may have heard of it. It is a place where often you see all of the hatching turtles. Unfortunately, it is not the right season for that. However, we are going to a really cool small town right by Tortuguero known as San Francisco.
And we are gonna do some cool shit. Let's do it.
The river is super low right now, which means they have a few complex maneuvers to navigate and get through this. I would not want to be driving this boat. We've hit a small snag. The boat is stopped because the captain is replacing the propeller mid-drive. We must have hit something. I did feel a couple bumps, but we're blowing into a tree.
I don't want to get angry. I was like 5 minutes to replace your propeller. I wonder how many times he's done that for real. Like, is that like a once a week thing, an everyday thing? Like, that's nuts. Made it. I'm going to take this moment in our walk to remind you to subscribe to our channel while you are here. Normally we say this at the end, and I probably will do that too. However, this is an extra reminder. Hit that subscribe button. Back to our usual programming. She brought us some pineapple juice as a little reception drink, and it is. Oh, it's so good. Yum. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oops, I got it muddy. This is it, baby. This Eco Lodge is right on the river, and it's seriously just like a little chunk of paradise.
Most people stay in Tortuguero, which is probably very cool in and of itself. This place is way less touristy, it's more authentic, and it's just kind of a really good opportunity for us to relax.
All right, the plan is to squeeze in a really quick, not very long, but apparently really cool hike.
Yeah,
Like
Cerro Tortuguero.
We are officially covered in DEET, poison. That probably won't get bug bites. Da 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 da. Ocean, lead the way. Come, baby, jump. Come on.
We have found our first poisonous frog.
We know nothing about, like, don't take our advice. I mean, do, that is actually correct, but like, we don't know.
We were told don't touch the red frogs.
Yeah, somebody smarter than us told us not to touch red frogs.
I literally inhaled a bug.
This is freaking gorgeous. I'm so backlit. Y'all. This is cool. I feel legitimately like David Attenborough right now. I've only ever seen anything like this in a nature documentary, and we're just literally surrounded by monkeys. The trail got quiet because a bunch of people left. And 10 minutes later, literally surrounded by monkeys and their babies. And I'm just like in absolute awe. Like everywhere you look is just, there's a monkey doing its monkey thing. Okay, this hike is an out and back. That was like a lot more eventful than I thought it was going to be in every wonderful way.
Those monkeys were awesome.
Woo! And it just makes us that much more excited for our kayak adventure tomorrow. We are going to head back to the trail, down the trail, relax this evening, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
We have arrived at our first stop of Tortuguero.
Yeah, let's let him appreciate it.
We are checking into the ranger station. In addition to the price of the tour, we had to buy entrance tickets.
The sun is out. Oh my god, it is glorious. The water and the green. Oh. So why did we want to kayak? Why did we pass up the boat? Because we're like right here on the water. There's no motor sound unless a boat goes by. We get a little bit of activity and you just feel more connected with where you are when you're like literally like in it. From a boat, you're just kind of like, you're just doing like a drive-by, but for whatever reason, when you're in a kayak, you just feel like you're one with the nature around you.
Kayaking is definitely the right play for this one.
For sure. We're just like paddling through these tight little canals. You can never get out of the boat. And the greenery and the overhang and the quiet, the sounds of the animals. It's incredible. The sun is out, the boats are gone, and it is so peace. Monkey shop, my favorite guy. Our second monkey show, Tortuguero, and it was just as cool as the first time.
beautiful forest.
We're following the current into the trees. It's raining, but this palm, which is currently above my head, protects us from getting wet in here.
This forest is amazing. If only I wasn't limited by my need to steer. Promptly running into a tree.
We did it! I'm coming for a crash landing
Ta-da!
Did it! Did it.
Okay, that was seriously super fun.
That was amazing. We saw so much stuff, but also we just got to kayak, which was a blast, and pretty much always is.
Yeah.
Now we are going to hopefully go experience our first soda.
Yay!
Smell food, that's a good sign.
We ordered vegetarian. One word. We weren't really presenting options. It was just kind of.
I think that's how it works.
What are you gonna eat? Okay.
First couple bites. Waiting. First soda experience was a success.
Now it is raining yet again,
Shocker.
but
Oh my god. We're the same. What an amazing experience. Y'all, this is basically our only day here in this area, which is fine because we did the things you do. And it has been so much fun.
yes,
But-
coming to see Tortuguero and San Francisco is quite an adventure, and it is totally worth it. And you should totally do it on your own.
Thank you so much for joining us for our adventure. And we are continuing on down the Pacific coast, so hit that subscribe button. We're not on the Pacific coast. We are continuing on down the Caribbean coast, so hit that subscribe button and you can come with us.